Hi there, Tapas Fleming here at tatlife.com. If you want to lose weight and you're feeling hopeless about it, there are two approaches you can use with TAT that I'll tell you about and walk us through right now. The first one is you just notice the thoughts you have, like, I've tried so many times and I always fail. So what you can do with any thought you have that's part of you feeling hopeless is you can do the pose and put your attention directly on that thought. I've tried so many times and I always fail. And then put your attention on the opposite, however you want to phrase it. So here's one. I've tried so many times and I succeed now. Or you might want to phrase it somewhat differently, like this. When I take action to lose weight now, I succeed. Or it's easy for me to take action to lose weight and succeed at whatever action I'm trying out. So you can make it as expansive or focused or whatever you want in your own words. You can also do it this way. It's true that when I try to lose weight, I always fail. It's not true that when I try to lose weight, I always fail. And here's another one. It's possible that when I try to lose weight, I always fail. It's possible that when I try to lose weight, I always do. So whatever you hear that's like got you feeling hopeless, you can come up with opposite thoughts. The reason that we put our attention on the thought that's there first, instead of other approaches that are like, oh no, you should never have your attention on something negative, is because that thought's there. It's actually there. And so instead of like taking your attention going, oh no, and your energy, oh, I want to push it away, you just go, okay, I have my attention on what's actually just there in the moment. And then you have your attention on what's the opposite of what's there in the moment. And those two things come together and make a quiet in your mind. And that itself opens the way for different actions to happen and different outcomes to happen for you. So that's one approach. The other approach is you take all those thoughts that make you feel hopeless, that are part of that whole deal for you, like whenever I try, I always fail. It's not worth me putting my energy into this because I take it off and then I lose and then I put it back on. Or I feel like all my efforts never count for anything. Whatever the thoughts are that you have, you decide, okay, that's what you're going to work on. Like we say in the world of TAT, we just put it in the pot, which just means that's where we're putting it to work on with TAT. Okay, so whatever your thoughts are, go into the pot. And then next you notice, what are the physical sensations you're having? Like maybe your chest feels like heavy when you feel hopeless. Or maybe your head just feels stuffed and like, ugh. Or maybe your heart feels like contracted and pulled back, and there's sort of this feeling of like heavy clouds, dark clouds over your heart. whatever it is, whatever the physical sensations are, you add that into the pot. And then you notice the emotions, maybe sad, fearful, um, lonely. Right? You might even feel grief. Whatever is going on for you, you just take that stuff, the thoughts, feelings, the sensations, and put them in a pot. And now we'll do a really short version of TAT, just some of the steps to help you out. And whatever I have about it, I'm putting in the pot too with you. Okay? So first we do the intention. And as we do the steps, you don't need to try to make anything I'm saying true or believe it or anything. You just do the pose, hear what I'm saying, and notice whatever you happen to notice, which could be nothing, and that's okay. All right, so first we do the heart pose, whichever palm you like over the other one, over your heart chakra. That means near your heart, but midline. So we'll make this intention together. And I tend to close my eyes, but you don't have to. You can leave your eyes open. Okay. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that is safe and easy. Okay, so now we do the TAT pose. That's whichever hand in front is okay. So it's thumb and ring finger, light touch, just above the upper inner corner of each eye. Your middle finger is midline and about a ½ inch above your eyebrows, roughly. And your other hand is at the base of your skull. So your palm's just flat back there, and it's your thumb is just above your hairline. Okay, that's the TAT pose. By the way, TAT is short for Tapas Acupressure Technique. Okay, so you're doing the pose, and I'll do it with you. Okay. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. And this means everything you put in the pot, we put in the pot together. I'll say it again, everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over. And I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. Okay, you can put your arms down. So what you do now is decide what you'd like. For instance, and you put it in the present tense, like, I feel hopeful. I can see myself at the weight I want to be, and I can see that getting there has been fun and easy. So it's kind of like you're seeing yourself in the future. You can do that, or you could choose something like, I'm now taking action that's successful and I'm losing weight. I feel at ease losing weight. Whatever you want to say. It can be one thing or several things, just make them all in the here and now. So when you've got that either in your thoughts or written down, then you say whatever your choice or choices are to yourself 3 times while you do the pose. So I can't say what it is because you're choosing. Okay, there you go. Those are 2 awesome approaches you can take to help you lose weight. And of course, you can replay this video and come up with other things that you want to choose, other thoughts that are there that might be making you feel hopeless at some other time. Okay, I hope this helps you out and you lose weight as you would like, and that you get healthier and happier every day. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.